Let's say you are looking for a beautiful lofted cabin. This is the one that we call the Big Bertha 3.0. This is a lofted 3-bedroom, 2-bath cabin. We're up on the second floor. I usually start on the first floor, but today I'm mixing it up a little bit. So we're starting on the second floor. They got this one set up as kind of like an office area, but most folks set this up as a 3rd bedroom. This one's kind of set up as a, little office / kids playing area. Kind of like an upstairs playpen / office. You got one of your dormers over here. Beautiful LVP floors. You got your electric in there. You got your lighting. Everybody always thinks these are speakers, but they're your lights. Got all your electrical outlets over there. They're kind of blending in with that knotty pine. You got your knotty pine rails. Isn't that pretty? And then let's do the grand entrance here. This door here, usually we got this secured. Now remember too, see how we got that walled up, privatized, made it its own separate bedroom? A lot of people will opt in for that over here, where we'll put the same wall up over here, or maybe put the wall halfway down. That way you still got a little chill spot up here, put a wall right here. That way you got a bedroom there, like a little mini living room upstairs right here. And then you got another bedroom here. So keep in mind, that's all possible. You come into this bedroom. Again, remember, I'm 6'6". I'm a tall fella. And I got all kinds of headspace up here on the second floor. Over here, you got another dormer. So you got all kinds of natural light coming in here. Got you a queen size bed. And as you can see, again, you got your lights, knotty pine, real pretty. Beautiful cabin. Look out the window there. We're up on the second floor. It's a beautiful day out here, guys. Beautiful day out here in Indiana today. Remember, guys, we build them out here in the Midwest and we ship them nationwide, okay? And another thing I like to talk about when I'm up here, we got some big boys out there. I'm 6'6". So I'm a tall fella, about 240 pounds. And as you can see, I got all kinds of headspace up here. So even though I'm tall, there's a lot of wiggle room up here. It's a very livable cabin. You see what I'm saying? You got a lot of headspace up here. It's very livable, very comfortable. So keep that in mind. Y'all hang in there. I'm getting ready to go downstairs and show you what the downstairs looks like. So that's the upstairs. And then let's go downstairs. Again, I am touring the one we call the Big Bertha 3.0 cabin. So you go downstairs. And when I get downstairs, I'm looking at the front door right there. Okay, if I look to the left, there's a little living room area. Okay, there's your back door. And through that door right over there is your downstairs master bedroom. So that's your 3rd bedroom. It does have its own bathroom ensuite in it, so we'll go there next. But we'll start this way. Over here, you got like a little nook where you can put like either a 2 or 4-seater little dining room nook. And then you got the front porch out there, which is a huge 6-foot by 46-foot front covered porch. This door underneath the stairs right here, open this up, and this is your 40-gallon water heater, okay? Now remember, you can also go on-demand tankless if you don't want this big monstrosity. That's also an option as well to save some more space. Okay, so let us know, again, if you want the 40-gallon water heater or if you want to go with the on-demand instant hot water tankless water heater. We can do it either way, okay? Here in the kitchen, all your name brand appliances is included. General Electric, Whirlpool, microwave, stove, dishwasher, and you can see the refrigerator on the other side next to the pantry door, okay? All these beautiful knotty pine cabinets, as you can see, lots of cabinets and lots of space. Okay, to store your goodies, your kitchen goodies. Right here, you got your little farm sink. Look out the window and your porch out at your land. Okay, so you do your little cooking here and cleaning, and you're cooking right next door. You got your GFIs. And then we got one of these smaller refrigerators here, but it does fit a bigger fridge. We just, you know, this is just a sales model, so we ain't got all that going on in here. Again, you got your window, all kinds of natural light. You got your kitchen, you got your cabinets ready to go. You got this, oh, they got the slow close on them. Okay, okay. And then here you got the pantry. Right here, you got a little small pantry for your goods to put up your racks and store your goods right over here. Let's keep it moving. So here you got your lights, again, beautiful LVP floors throughout. And then you got a pocket door right here for your privacy. So that's your pocket door. Let me scoot back so you can see it. That's the bathroom closed up there with your pocket door secured. Then you slide that open. I love these pocket doors because it really saves a lot of space. You know what I'm saying? Straight ahead, again, you got your light switches here. This is already wired up, 200 amp electric throughout the whole cabin. It's plug and play, ready to go. You got your spot here for your stackable washer and dryer. There's your cold and your hots. Okay, stackable washer and dryer. So you got your dryer on the bottom, washer on top. Really good size bathroom here. You see, we tend to do a lot of walk-in showers because a lot of our customers are, you know, older and they want to make sure, you know, you don't want to risk falling down. So we got the little seats and stuff in there. You know, you get a little older, you're concerned about falling out of a tub and stuff like that. So you got your commode and really nicely, very well done, right? The Amish, you know, have outdone themselves. There you go. You got all that knotty pine. And then, of course, here you got your little bathroom closet there for all your bathroom essentials, right? That goes right there. Let's keep it moving. Straight ahead, again, kitchen area. Let's go to the left. I don't like to keep these videos too long. I like to keep them right at 10 to 12 minutes. One of the things you'll notice here, let me talk about this real quick, is a lot of people will call and say, you know what, I really like that knotty pine, but I don't want too much knotty pine. So we can do accent walls. You see this white wall behind the kitchen and this white wall here? We can do accent walls if you guys want us to kind of break up the pine a little bit. So that's also an option. We've had people say they want all the walls inside their cabin to be white like this and smooth. So it's up to you. We can do a combination of white walls and pine. We can do all white walls or we can do all pine. Okay, so you have the option. In this case here, since this is a model, we have the chair set up this way, but traditionally this chair would probably come over this way and that would be where you put your television. So all the couches are facing the TV and everybody's hanging out watching TV on the white accent wall. Okay. A lot of people ask me about wood burning stoves. So what we're going to do here soon is we're going to stage a wood burning stove right here because I think this would be the best spot for it. And then that way, if you want to order a wood burning stove for your cabin, we can have one right here for you that'll go out the top there. And that'll be a nice little ambiance when you're sitting here in the living room. Got the fire burning, your little wood burning stove or pellet stove burning over there. Okay. Before I go into the master bedroom downstairs, I do want to show you this. There's your back door. I do want to show you this little nook right here. You open that up, and that's like a little storage area. I call it like a doggy door, you know. You could put you some little flappers there for your dog or cat to go running in there and have their little home, to put a little bed in there for them, or just leave it like that and use it for extra storage. Okay, so super cool. Let's keep going here. Again, that's what the little living room looks like. And then remember, hang in there with me, y'all, and I'll take you outside to show you the outside real quick. In here, you got your 200 amp electric panel already ran. Remember too, guys, too, in this cabin here, you got your pine siding, right? But behind this wall is your 2x6 exterior wall construction. 2x6s. That way, your 2x6 studs, sorry. That way we can stuff that those studs full of insulation to meet your county code. So we can put whatever R factor behind the walls. You got the D-log siding on the outside, you got the pine on the inside, and then you got your 2x6 studs in between where we can, frame it up and make sure this sucker's going to be very efficient for you when you're running your heating and cooling. Got a window here, got a queen size bed. Okay. Very nice, very nice. And notice there's a door right there in the downstairs bedroom. Where does that go? Well, I'll show you. There's your light switches. So this goes to your own ensuite, bathroom ensuite here in your bedroom. Okay. So again, how convenient is that? You wake up in the middle of the night, you got to use the bathroom. Boom. Right here. Again, you got your pocket doors for privacy, which I love these. And you've got your walk-in shower. Remember too, guys, this is just a model. One of the things everybody always notices in these models is they're like, well, I want a tub instead of a walk-in. Well, that's no big deal, guys. Just let us know you want a tub. We can customize that. Got some cabinet spaces here and all that in the bathroom. Another thing, there's your window. Another thing too that we get a lot of people that talk about, there's your light switches, is they always say, where's all the bedroom closets at? Well, again, guys, remember, when you order yours, you can tell us if you want to put some closets in, and if you do, where you want them, and we can accommodate that. Okay, this is just a sales lot model. So, keep that in mind. This is just a sales lot model. Okay, so when you order yours, we can put the closets in there where you want them and yada, yada, yada. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's go outside and show you what the outside of this beautiful cabin looks like. And then I'll stop yapping and let y'all go for the day. So right when you walk outside, you look to the left, you look to the right. Beautiful, massive 6-foot by 46-foot front covered porch. Remember, we can also put one just like it on the back side. If you want a back porch, we can do that as well for $10,000. So if you want to put a back porch on it, we charge $10,000 to put a back porch on it. Okay, so let me scoot back and show you what this looks like from a distance. We got them two pretty dormers up there. For an added fee, we can put a third one in the middle, which I think would look pretty cool, or you can leave it like it is. And this is what beautiful day. Look at them clouds, y'all. It's like I'm in one of them Bob Ross photos out here. You know, one of them you remember old Bob Ross? I'm showing my age right now. You know, I'm a Gen Xer, old school. I used to grow up watching Bob Ross. All them pretty puffy clouds and pretty little clouds. You know what I'm saying? Every time I see this, I think about old Bob Ross. So anyways, this is what it looks like on the outside. We got the D-log siding. We got the 26 gauge metal roof with the board and batten style. And remember, guys, you can change the color stain if you want. If you want to do more of a metal siding instead of the pine siding, we can do that. If you want to do lap siding, if you want to do hardy board, you can do that as well, guys. You're not stuck to doing the wood look. This is just what's most common with our customers. Most of our customers like this look. Again, the dimensions on this livable is 14 by 46 times 2. And then you got a 6-foot by 46 front porch.